Okay, so I saw this and I said, what? Look at the price. I gotta try it. And I was gonna start making it and decided to make a video. So, come along. Let's open this and see what's in it. Okay. We have the beef. Rice. Veggies. Gravy. Instructions. Don't look over there. Okay. Focus. Is it open? Okay. Oh, this might be smoky. Okay, I'll be back. Here we go. Don't spill the rice. Ah! Saucy. Oh. What? Don't be scared. Woo! Remove from skillet and serve. All right, let's see. But I'm gonna serve it my way. It's hot as fuck. It's hot. Ah! Ah! Oh. Mm. 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 I taste ginger in there. Must be in the sauce. Mm. Okay, take 3. So I'm gonna use the leftover lettuce from yesterday's noodles. I'm gonna put the rice over those lettuces there. And I'm gonna dress it up with these babies. Some jalapenos, some of this thing, whatever that kind of onion is called, and some other kind of onion. Yeah, so also I already had one of these. Yeah, baby. Okay, lettuce on the bottom, the rice on top. Let's dress it up. Pica. Okay, alright. Alright. That's fucking good. You know what? Here. It's my food. I eat it how I want. Oh, jalapeno spicy. Ah, I wish I had chopsticks. Oh, fuck, that's spicy. Woo! All right, there it is. Hold on, let's move this out of here. Woo! Whoa, there it is. Okay, here we go. Oh, fuck. Spicy. I know I tried it earlier. Woo! Hold up. Okay, here we go. Ooh. 1 second. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this. Ooh. I had a piece of jalapeno. Fuck, it's burning. Ooh, ooh. Is that jalapeno too? God. That's fucking tasty. At this point, I tasted cilantro and I didn't remember putting cilantro in it. But then I recalled I used the leftover salad and that had cilantro. So we good.
You know what? For $10, and then you get like lettuce or cabbage and you put it over that. It's great, or just alone. Me, I needed something more. I need a little more vegetables, and jalapeno is kicking my ass right now. But yeah.
Look at that. It's pretty good. There's a bunch of lettuce down there. I wanted to put noodles, and I'm gonna be honest with you. Next time I make this, I'm putting noodles under there. I figured there's rice there already, but fuck this. I'm making it with noodles next time. Check it out. Come here, you fucking jalapeno. Make me cry, bitch. Oh, licorice. Huh. So good.